Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, SharePoint Online Basics. My name is Kathy Snizaski, and I'm a Microsoft trainer with 25 years experience helping employees be more efficient using Microsoft products. SharePoint is a powerful collaboration tool and file management system, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for Microsoft 365 users who are new to SharePoint and want to learn how to use and create sites. We'll start with learning the purpose of SharePoint and navigating the home page and sites. We'll also discuss how SharePoint connects to other applications and use the search feature. Next, we'll create a SharePoint team site, add new features to the site, and edit the site layout. Then we'll create a SharePoint communication site and use the document library. From there, we'll add pages to sites and edit page layout. We'll also manage site access. In our last lesson, we'll look at customizing and managing a document library, and we'll finish up with managing lists. As we go through each lesson, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. My hope is that by the end of this course, you will be able to navigate and create SharePoint teams and communication sites.